let's continue from where we stopped in our last class. Okay, I stopped at locus 3. Okay, locus 3. Locus 3. And locus 3 says the locus of a point equidistant from two intersecting straight lines. Okay, now what does it mean? It simply means what? This is the bisector of the angle formed by the two lines. I believe I've taught you how to bisect angle, right?
Yes.
True or false?
True.
So that means the line, the angle formed by those two lines will be what? Bisected. Are we there?
Yes.
And that is what is going to form what? A locus. So they will not tell you that the locus of a point equidistant from two intersecting or straight lines. No, they will not say it. Okay? You need to identify the straight lines by the alphabet or beginning. Okay? Alright, now look at it. They say example. Now look at how it's going to appear. Example. Construct locus of a point equidistant from where? A, B, and what? B, C. Do you understand? Now, when they give you these two sides or lines, lines, are we there? Look at it very well. One of the alphabets is going to appear twice, meaning that it is a continuation. That means where this one ended is where this one is going to start. Are we there? So that shows what? Two lines. So if you have your AB and what? And BC. Notice that the two lines intersected at a point, right? Forming what? An angle. Are we following? So, and that simply means what? The bisection of what? Of the two lines. No, sorry, the angle formed by the what? By the two lines. Are we following? Now, I'm going to give illustrate it here. Let's assume that the line is like this and is like this. Okay? Okay. Now, look at these lines, okay? Now, they call it what? AB and what? BC, right?
Yes.
So that means this is A, this is B, and this is what? C. That means AB and what? BC. Are you following? AB and what? And BC. Okay? Now, I'm going to bisect the angle formed. And look at the angle formed by the what? By the AB and what? BC, by AB and what? BC. Now look at the angle. Are you following? So before I bisect, what do I say before I bisect an angle? You create what? An arc. You create what? An arc. So that you now have 2 points where you place your compass, okay? And do what? And bisect what? The angle. Are you there? Okay. Now, so what do I do? I have to create what? An arc. What is? I'll place it here. Okay? You understand? I'll place it here. Either I draw a full arc, or I can draw an arc that will cut this and cut this. Anyone to prefer. Okay? Okay. Alright, so that's it. Okay? Now this is where I'm going to put my what? Compass and do what? And bisect your line. Are you following? Okay, so once you create an arc, you have actually created what? A point. Okay? A footprint where you mount your what? Your compass and do what? And bisect. Okay? So let's go here quickly. Watch it. I'll place it here. Let's see. What did I see? Okay? I'll place it here. I'll do what? I'll make an arc and place it here. Okay, I'll do what? I'll make an arc. Listen. Are we there? Okay, so I'll do what? I'll bisect what? I'll draw a line. Draw a line. I'll follow it. Okay, so alright, this is it. Now this is how I ended up bisecting what? The angle. Understood? Are we following?
Yes.
Okay. So the angle formed by what? Like what? AB and what? BC and the what? Bisected. So this is locus number what? 3. But when the questions are coming in, they will not number it the way I number it, right?
Yeah.
Hello? So when the question is coming, where GC or maker exam will not number it the way I numbered my own. Okay? But just what you need to know is that understand the information and know which one they are talking about. Are you following? Okay, now look at this question. Look at this question. So I'm going to attend to this question. Are you following? Now, if you watch this question is a combination of locus 1, locus 2, and locus 3. So this is time for application. Are we there? Alright. Question. Okay. Alright. Look at this question. Question 1. They say a triangular plot of land ABC is such that side BC is 105 meters, right? Are we there?
Yes.
105 what? Meters. And angle ABC is what? 45 meters. Sorry, 45 degrees. And angle ACB is what? 75 what? Degrees. Now they say, with the aid of ruler and what? And a pair of compass only. Construct I. What? Triangular plot. Using a scale of what?
10 meters.
And this one they gave the scale, right?
Yes.
So meaning that they know that you cannot get this from the 30 centimeter. Are you there? Are you following?
Yes.
So that means they now gave you the scale in which you are going to convert to 105 meters. Are you there?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to convert this. I'm going to convert this and I will now know the value of 105 meters. Now watch. Let me convert. Okay? They say the 10 meters is equal to what? 1 cm. Do you understand? Are you following?
Yes.
10 meters is equal to what?
1 cm.
1 cm. Okay? Now what will 105 be? What will 105 be? Okay? Is x, right? Of course, multiply. 10 times x is what? X. Okay. 105 times 1 is
Who's pushing this thing?
right? Then x now becomes 105 divided by what? 10. And that should be what? 10 point what? 5 what? cm. This is think about what? cm. So that means you're going to measure 10.5 cm from your meter rule. Are you following? So measure each y and measure man. Okay? Pay attention please. Okay. Now let's draw the side BC 0.5. That means 10.5 cm. Okay. So let's draw. Okay. Now watch. What I'm going to do? I'm going to draw a line without what? Any measurement. Okay. I'll draw a line without what? Any what? Measurement. Are you following? I'll draw a line without what? Any measurement. Okay. Okay. Now, look at it. I've drawn what? A line without what? Any measurement, right? Now, this is my radius. Okay. Now, my radius is now measuring what? 10.5. So, this is what? 10.5. Okay. All right. 10.5. So, what do? I'll take it to the center. This is it. Are we there? So that the distance here will be equal to this distance over here. Okay? Alright, so I'll place here. I'll place it here. Do what? Make an arc. 1. Are you following? Then place it here again. Do what? Make an arc. 2. Okay? So this simply means that from here to here is measuring what? 10.5 cm. So here is 10.5 cm. Okay, and here is called what? What's it called? B and what? B and C. Okay? Now, this is at B and C, I have different angles there. Okay, at B and C, I have a different angle there. Okay? So at B is what? It's 45 degrees. Now, how do I create 45 degrees? How do I create 45 degrees? Now, 45 degrees is created from 90 degrees, right? Yeah. So I have to do what? form what? 90 what? Degrees. Okay? Alright, so let's go there. And I told you how to create an angle at the extreme. Right? Yes. So what do? You create a semicircle first. Okay? So here, I'm going to draw a semicircle first. You see it? Yes. Alright? So now I want to form my what? 90 degrees. Remember I have two ways in which you can form 90 degrees. Yeah. Are we there? Yes. So it's either you create a semicircle, okay? By set that semicircle to get 90 because that semicircle is forming 180 degrees. Yeah. If I set the semicircle, I'll have 90 degrees. Or I will create 60, create 120. Are we there? Then if I set to what? The 60. Okay? One of the 60 here. That means if I make an arc here, what? If I make an arc here, are we there? So I make an arc here. One. Okay? Come here again. Place it here. Make what? An arc here. Two. Use it. Then place my compass here. 1 and 2. Already existing arc. And what? And by set, I get what? 90 degrees. Okay? Or you close what? This what? This gap. You grab. You close it to this gap. Place your compass here. And do what? Make an arc. Place your compass here. Make an arc. And do what? And you get what? 90 degrees. Are we done? So I'm going to use this one. I want someone else to use what? The other method and get 90 degrees. Okay? So I'm going to get my 90 degrees. Now this is a 60. Parallel please. From here to here is what? Is 60, right? And from here to here is what? Another 60, making it 120, right? So now, you see that from here is 60, and from here to here is also what? 60. Okay? That means if I bisect this 60 now, if I bisect this 60, I'm going to have 30, 30, right? So 30 that is here, plus this 60 will give me what? 90. Okay? So, I'll place it here at this point. Okay? I'll do what? I'll make an arc. 1. Then place it here. And do what? I'll make an arc. 2. Okay? I will draw the line. Join it there. To get my 90 degrees. Alright. This is what? 90 degrees. Okay? So what's next is what is to get what? 45 degrees. And how do I get 45 degrees? Now look at it. Pay attention please. Here is what? 90 degrees. And I have to bisect on this angle. Now had it been there is no arc here, what do? I will create an arc. But since I have already existing what? Arc. So what do? I will use that arc and do what? And bisect. So I have to place my compass here. 1. Place it here. 2. To bisect what? 90 degrees, right? So let's go there. So I'll place it here. Do what? I'll make an arc. Okay? Then place it here and do what? I'll make an arc. Okay? I've gotten my what? By 2 arcs. Okay? Alright. So alright. So this is 45 degrees. Okay? So that means here is what? Is 45 degrees. I hope I follow you. Okay, this is 45 degrees. Okay, the next one is what? Next one is what? 75. Okay? Now, 75. What is needed to form 75? Remember, 75 happens to be one of the derived angles, right? Yes. Or special angles. So that means it's a combination of the basic angles. So, what are the basic angles that will combine to give me 75? 30 and what? 30 and what? 15. 30 and 15. And somebody is saying 60 and what? So 30 and what? 15. Does it give you 75? No. 60 and what? 15. So 60 and 15 will give you what? So give me what? 75. Okay, so let's go and create what? 75. Let's create 75 here, okay? What do? You make what? A semi-circle. Nice one. So you make what? A semi-circle. Right, okay? Don't change the radius. Don't change the radius. Don't change it. Don't change it. Place it here. Okay? Place it here and make what? An arc, which is 60 degrees, right? Okay. Then come here, make another arc, what? Another what? 60, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is that I have from here to here to what? 60. And from here to here to what? Another one, 60. Meaning that I have to bisect this 60 here to get 30. Then bisect the 30 to get 15. Okay? Alright, so now let me bisect this. Okay? So let's go there. You can expand. I place it here and do what? I'll make an arc, 1. Then come here and do what? I'll make an arc. Okay? Alright. So I have bisected. So this gives me what? My 90 degrees. Okay? 90 degrees. Okay. Alright, so this gives me what? My 90 degrees. Okay? And do you see why I have to play this? To avoid broad lines of what? Or double lines. Okay? So I'm just following the rules of what? Construction. Okay. Alright, so now I've gotten this. And this is my what? My 90 what? Degrees, right? Now watch it. You see that from here to here is what? Is 60, right?
Yeah.
And from here to here is another what? 30. Okay? From here to here is 60. And from here to here is 30. So from this 30, I needed what? 15. To add it to what? 60. To get to what? 75. So I have to bisect for this angle, right? So I'm going to use already existing arc. So I'll place my compass here 1 and place it here 2 to bisect that angle. Okay, so let's go there. I'll place it here. I'll do what? I'll make an arc. Okay, and here I'll do what? I'll make an arc. Okay, alright, this is it. So let me draw it. Let me then combine. Okay. So now with this. Okay. Now you notice something now. You see that this has not formed what? A triangle, right? So I have to extend this one to form what? A triangle. Okay? So let me extend and form what? A triangle. Alright. Okay. So I've not formed what? A triangle. What you are seeing is okay. So now what will I be here? Okay. Please watch this arrow. Watch here. Okay. Watch the arrow. You see it? It means I'm going from 0 to what? 45, right? Then here is what? You see it? Showing that what I'm running from where? From 0 to what? 75, right? So here becomes my 75 what? Degrees. Okay? So the triangle has been formed. Now, which alphabet is missing to complete the triangle? A. So that means here should be what? Here should be called A. Okay? So with the aid of a what? A ruler and what? A pair of compass, construct a triangular plot using the word, the scale of what? 10 meters to what? 1 cm. So I have constructed what? The triangular plot. Okay? So what next is what? Locus. Okay? Are you there? What is needed is what? Locus. Okay? Alright, so as you can see, I'm using razor to sharpen my chalk. Okay? Okay, so we are good to go. Okay? Alright. Now they said I. Okay? I locus any one of the points equidistant from B and C. Now what does this mean? Perpendicular bisector, because they have given me what? 2 points. Okay? This is the locus 2 I gave you. Locus of a point equidistant from 2 given points. So they are giving me 2 points. B and what? C. So that should be what? A perpendicular bisector of the line connecting what? B and what? C. Okay? So where is B and C? B and what? C. So I have to do what? Bisect. I have to remember how to bisect, right? Okay, so what do I do? The first thing I need to do here is what? I'll look for the center. Okay? Look at it. So yeah, I believe here will be my what? My center. Okay? Once I go to my center, what do? I'll shift further. Okay? You see, I'll shift what? Further. I'll now do what? Make an arc here. Come down. Make an arc here. Okay? Then go back here. Place it here. Do what? Make an arc here. Then come down and do what? And do what? Make an arc here. Okay, so this didn't join very well. So I go again. Didn't join very well, so I go again. So, okay. And what? Libra. Okay. So now let's go. Let's join what? The line. Okay, let's join what the line. Okay. Let's join the line. Now look at me joining the line. Okay. So this is me joining what? The line. Are you there? Okay. Alright. Oh, I have double line here. So I'm going to plane it off. Okay. So this is how I what? This is how I'm avoiding what double line. So I just have to fix it. Okay, I have to fix it. Alright. So now I've got my what? My locus what? 1. So what do you do? You label. Okay? You do what? You label. So here is another 1. Then come upstairs, up here and do what? And label what? L1. Up and down. Okay? Now, what is the next one there? What is the next one there? Remember is what? Locus shadow 2 of points equidistant from AB and what? BC. And this is what? This is locus 3, right? And this is 2 intersecting what? Straight lines. So that means I should bisect the angle formed by what? Like what? AB and what? Like what? BC. Are we following? So where is the line? Look at it. A, B, and what? And what? And B, C. So that means I have to bisect 45. Okay? To get to 2.5. Are we following? So, like what? A, B, and what? B, C. So I should bisect for this angle. So I'm going to use already existing what arc, which is what? This one to bisect. So what do? I'll place it here. Watch it. I'll place it here. I make an arc. Then place it here. And do what? I make an arc. You see, to bisect what? This angle. Okay? The angle formed by what? A, B, and what? B, C. Okay? I will join. Are we there? I'm going to do what? Join. Okay, so let's join. Alright, so let's go. Did you see that? Okay. Right, so I've done that. I'll call it what? What I call it? Hello what? L2. You label. Okay? Hello what? L2. Now what next? They say L3 or point 5 cm. 5 cm. Equidistant from where? A, right? Now this is the locus one I gave you. Okay? Locus of a point equidistant from a given point, from one point. Now this is one point. A. And what does it mean? Draw what? A circle. Are we there? Whose radius is equal to this fixed distance? Okay? So what do? I have to measure what? I have to measure 5 cm with my what? With my compass. Okay? So let's go and measure. Okay. Alright, so now let's answer this question. Locus 3 of a point equidistant from where? 5 cm equidistant from A, right? Yes. So this is 5 cm. I hope you have measured 5 cm, right? Okay, 5 cm. So I'll go to where? A. I'll go to A and draw what? A circle. Are you there? I'll draw a circle. You see that? You see that? Yes. So, you know what? From A to here is measuring what? 5 what? cm. And from A to here is measuring what? 5 cm. All this is down to what? Range. Okay? So I've gotten my value. Okay? I've gotten my locus. So I call it what? Call it what? L1, 3. And come here another what? L1, 3. You see that? Yes. And they say locus, sorry. Okay, locus T1 and what? T2. Okay, this should be locate, please. This should be what? Locate. Okay. Alright, so now let's go. So locate. Okay. Locate. Alright, so let's go there. And they say, pay attention please. Locate T1 and T2, which are the point of intersection of L1 and what? L3. Okay? Now that means I have to look for the point of intersection of what? L1 and what? L3. Then call it what? T1 and what? T2. So where is L1? Look at where L1 and what? L3 intersected, right? Okay, so what do I do? I need to extend this. Because this is the first intersection, right? Yes. Remaining what? Second one. That means I have to extend to have another one up here. Okay, so I'm going to extend. So I have to extend and then now. Okay. And you see, I'm trying to avoid double line as much as possible. So that if I see double line in your work, I will do some match. Okay? So alright, so now look at the point of intersection now. So here I have one here, right? Yes. I hope you are following. Yes. Okay. I have here one. I also have here what? Two. So here will become T1 and here will become what? T2. So I have located what? T1 and what? T2. From the point of intersection of what? L1 and what? L3, right? And they say measure T1 and what? T2. So measure T1, T2, side what? T1, T2. So that means I have to measure. So, okay, I have to measure. I think I'm having. That's what I'm having here.
2000.
Alright, I've measured. Okay, I've measured. Okay. Alright, so now after measurement, I think my value, okay, I'm writing it here. My value T1, T2. Okay, what I'm having 7.7. Okay, 7.what? 7. Now remember, 7.7 what? cm. Are you there? Remember, I used my meter rule to measure 7.7 cm, right? Are you there?
Yes.
But remember, look at this. I have a scale for conversion, right? So what I need to do? I need to convert this to what? To meter, right? And answer is going to be what? I think 77 meters, right? 77 what? Meter. You grab? Yes. Okay, so 7 what? Meter. Okay, so since 10 meter is equal to 10 meter is equal to 1 cm, so what will 7.7 give me? That should be 10 times what? 7.7. Giving me what? 77 what? Meters. Okay? I hope this is clear.
Yes.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you for watching.